Hey peeps, people all over the world are obsessed with Jamaican jerk. Come up Black Bamboo and get a very good version of Jamaican jerk. Something very flavorful and juiciful. Alright guys, I'm showing how far I'm Black Bamboo. So if you come from Bog Walk side, right? When I enter from me right here, so. Alright? So if I come from through Bog Walk town, yeah. Alright here, so see I see it on the right. Yeah. And if you come from Lindsay side or from the highway side, you enter from right here, so. So if I come from Bogwalk side, see me onto the highway, right? When you tell you stop like a church road, you take the left and come down to the bus stop and then take the left again and come up and tap on the left right there, so. Right? If I come from Lindsay side, I same way. Yeah man, so that's why you fly back Bamboo. No. Very easy to find. Yeah, you see the red and white. No, red and black place. Yeah man. Yeah man guys, and Black Bamboo is right across from Condensary and Nestle. Yeah man, see parking that there. Yeah, two juice. They're up the road. Yeah. So easy to find. So when you come, we have nice eating area, you know, sun and sort of what you have the nice eating area, cool and nice, you know. Yeah man. Jerk was created by our indigenous people, right? And it's been around for ages, years. Black Bamboo modernize it and create a rotisserie jerk chicken to make the chicken very juiciful. Look at that chicken, seasoned very good, seasoned with enough love and natural spices, enough herbs and natural spices. Look at that, very nice. have a lot more cooking sound to it here. Where are you? So now the more so now we're now flipping to stay there 2 hours. And keep this on the pan. Mm-hmm. Give a nice little pot of chicken foot and cow skin soup here. Yeah, man. Look at that festival, golden brown and very, very, very nice. Look at that. See the guys, nice and hearty. Cow skin with chicken foot soup. Yeah man, very rich. The pumpkin, dashi and sweet potato yam. Yeah man, everything in it. This is not a food review, guys. This is an introduction of black bamboo. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, guys. So, as I was saying before, this is not one food review or this introduction of black bamboo and show say another regular pan chicken style, right? Look at it this way. Suppose you turn chicken 4 times. Well, say you jerk pan chicken, right? And you turn each pieces 4 times in the cook cycle. Then come like say you move 2,000 pounds because you flip them each time. And also the regular pan chicken style, regular way, it's harder to make the chicken juicy and nice. This way, make the chicken juicy and nice. So come try black bamboo jerk. As I said before, no powder season, just natural herbal and spices like in the long time days when our indigenous people first discovered jerk, or first made jerk. Alright, this is all the sweet and sour pork.